Close your boots. We're taking you skiing down over 1,000 meters of vertical drop on one of the most iconic and spectacular descents in Falcade, Passo San Pellegrino. This sequence of runs starts at an altitude of 2,250 meters on Cima Laresei, offering a unique panorama over the Pale di San Martino, Focobon, and many other Dolomite groups, descending all the way down to 1,190 meters at Molino di Falcade. The first few meters serve to warm up your legs on the upper section of the Pista Panoramica, M26, just enough time to catch your rhythm and let your skis run. The Pista Panoramica features exceptional terrain changes, making it one of the most fun runs in the entire ski area straddling Veneto and Trentino. Before reaching the final section of the Pista Panoramica, you need to take the turnoff that leads past the Labu's hub at an altitude of 1,890 meters. From here on out, things get serious. You dive headfirst into slope N30, the Labu's Molino, better known as the Pista Rossicano, a continuous plunge through the trees, with breathtaking pitch changes that take you straight to the valley floor at Molino, at 1,190 meters. The first part is the most challenging, with sustained steeps that are never overly demanding. The second part turns into a long cruise through the fantastic woods of Falcade. Once at Molino di Falcade, two powerful, high-speed ski lifts will whisk you back to the 2,250 meters of Laresei in just a few minutes, ready for another run.